Hi, this is Sylvia Gordon with the Medicare Family, and due to the coronavirus, a lot of things are changing that are impacting you, the Medicare beneficiary. So please stay tuned to our channel. Consider subscribing to get our weekly updates. We do have a video every week. In this video, I'm going to talk about the unprecedented move to close in-person service at your local Social Security office. So that came out on March the 16th. Until further notice, and it has some people alarmed. So they're just trying to cut down transmission of the virus. They are still open, and you can contact them by phone. Have fun. And they're still working, but you can't go into the Social Security office to sign up for your Medicare. So it's going to create a ripple effect of panic in the public of people like, I don't know how to do this, because truth is, most people are still not that comfortable with technology. Now, you might not be comfortable working with an agent that's not face-to-face with you across the kitchen table, somebody like me or my mom that can work with you anywhere in the country. So as much as a lot of you really want to have that person sitting across from the kitchen table and eyeball to eyeball going over your Medicare options, explaining to you your rights and responsibilities, right now, during the coronavirus outbreak and until further notice, you need to consider getting more comfortable with electronic options and find an agent that you feel comfortable working with online that can guide you through all these changes, because many things are on the table changing right now. And shutting down local Social Security is the barrier to entry right now. People are like, well, I didn't sign up because I couldn't go in. Well, if you don't sign up, the penalties for not enrolling during your deadlines for Medicare have not been suspended or waived yet. And maybe they will be. Maybe by the time the video comes out, they are. Many things are on the table for being waived. So it's really important that you get an agent that you feel comfortable with. Get yourself comfortable with the fact that insurance agents are here to help you. They're not here to prey on you. The vast majority of agents are very conscientious, compassionate professionals that go way far above and beyond what you would think they would do for their clients. And they don't make that much money. That's the funny thing. People are like, I don't want them to make money off me. They make very little money. There are insurance lines of business that are very lucrative. Medicare is not one of them. There's no big cash out. They do it because they love working in the Medicare market with the senior population. Don't fear them. There's a couple bad apples in every group, but majority of our agents are fantastic. If you don't want to work with us and our family online, we have agents all across the country that can work with you face-to-face if you're comfortable with that. So please let us help you make these decisions. Don't go alone. And thank you for tuning into our channel.